What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video. My vision on GJ, let's see. Here, for example, I hope that you're right if you are in the trade. I personally wouldn't enter because we grabbed external liquidity here, and now we went for internal liquidity, and possibly we just continue to the downside. But of course, if you're right, I'm happy. I just wouldn't take the trade. Would you enter GU retracement? I wouldn't enter GU retracement today, but tomorrow I'll be interested in GU. Will signals be sent in Telegram channel? Yes, when I enter a trade, I always send the signal. How can I ask for the XL indicator? Text me on Telegram or text the support on the website. Could you please give a tip on how many pips should be the stop loss on an order block? It depends. It depends how big is the order block. It depends on the confirmation. It depends. It just depends. It depends. Every setup is different. And gold here is dropping also. What is the lowest time frame to identify good supply and demand zones? Any. It depends how you trade. It depends how you are trading. Depends on if you are swing trading, intraday trading. So if you are intraday trading, lowest time frame is the 1 minute, because I usually start from the 2 hours, 1 hour to understand my overall direction, and then I work on the way down to the 1 minute, as I'm doing right now. I did it during this lesson. I looked at gold. Well, gold, it was on the daily, but usually, I look at GU, let's say 2 hours, over direction bearish. We are probably going for, we didn't take the external liquidity yet. So it was EU, perfect. EU, that's what I was looking at. Perfect. EU, zooming out. We took external liquidity. We could go for internal liquidity. However, we are very, very bearish. This is why I was preferring sells until a very strong bullish confirmation happens. Then I go on 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, I have my Asian range. Above the Asian range, there was this supply area right here. And there is also a hidden supply area, which is the one that we actually rejected, which is this one. And now we'll explain about the hidden supply area. Which is exactly that one. So there was a higher supply area right here, which was great. There was a hidden supply area right here, which is the one that we actually rejected. The hidden supply area is basically where this move to the upside starts and then finishes with this wick to the upside. If we go on the 5 minutes, we probably can see it. Yes, perfect. It's this. Is this one. You can see it also from the 15 minutes if you know how to find the hidden supply and demand areas. If not, I will do more lessons about it. However, I talked about it in many live trading sessions. And after reaching it, I go to the 5 minutes. I'm waiting to see what happens. Then I go on the 3 minutes to see the confirmation. If the confirmation happens, I take the trade, but I already explained that today on EU, it wasn't a very good confirmation according to my strategy. I tend to find that I'm entering too many trades. That could be a problem. Try to really just take trades that meet your plan. Sometimes I take 3 trades in a day. Sometimes I take 0. Like yesterday and today, I didn't take a trade. Any trade we should take now, whatever you want, man. Not for me. We will trade whole August. I will not trade for 1 week, not because it's vacation, but because just the market doesn't respect my analysis during the middle of August, because everyone is in vacation, the market is slow and just doesn't hold. I learned it through experience and losing money. So trust me, it's better. How many trades do you take per day? It depends. Depends, sometimes 0, sometimes 3, whatever the market gives me. What's your Instagram? Depends. I have Forex XL, I have Edward XL, I have Crypto XL, I have Investing XL, where I share about all my investments, my houses, my Rolexes, my real estate investments, Rolex investments, stock market, and so on. Why did you stop trading other pairs? Because because the Asian range and everything that I put together through backtesting and stuff and a lot of other stuff proved me that on these 4 pairs, Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, and NZD CAD, it works the best. You always say you take 3 trades, but lately you haven't. Why? It's because I didn't find 3 trades in a day. Some people don't understand that you can literally make more money with 1 trade per week rather than 10 trades. You have a 1 to 10, 1 trade, and you make 10%. And you make 10% on a funded account of 200K, and you made 20K in a week. So have you faced a week with 0 trades? No. 0 trades in a week, not really. That doesn't really happen for me. I really like your strategy. It gave me a lot of profit. Well, I'm glad. That's really good to hear. Can you give a quick explanation of the Excel indicator? Please look at the tutorial, and then if you have questions, I will cover it during next live training. What are the 4 pairs you mentioned? These: gold, USD, GBPUSD, and ZDCAD. All right. Perfect. Is there any more questions? Otherwise, this is first live training that we are back. Keep in mind that if we have opportunities during live trading, I actually send the signal. So that's it. What do you think about Bitcoin? Keep in mind that for my investments and for cryptos, you must follow Crypto XL on Instagram. And if you want to know about real estate, stocks, watches, and gold investments, and so on, you follow Investing XL. Just to make you understand, on Crypto XL, of course, is our whole crypto journey with also intraday signals included in the Discord with stop loss and take profit, and long-term entries for Bitcoin, for anything that we're buying, Bitcoin or altcoins that we're buying, we give our long-term entries. And on Investing XL, I share my knowledge on stocks, real estate, watches, gold, and any type of investment which can be used. I currently own 4 houses and 1 office. The office is for personal use, while the houses are to rent out as an investment. By the way, the office will be used as the trading floor for all the people that have the funding accelerated program. They can come and they can use the trading floor. That will be very, very exciting. They can trade, and I'll be on the trading floor personally. So it will be very, very exciting. And other than that, on Investing XL, just, about my houses and how to invest in real estate in general, because we're finding, usually the real estate market gives like about around 7% return, and I'm finding deals that are giving me at least 18% return per year. Stocks, we have a stock automatic calculator that basically finds if a stock is good to buy or not, and it's all automatic. And we also give included the gold algorithm on Investing XL. So it's very, very, that trades on its own. It's for the long term, trades automatically. You don't have to do anything. So it's very interesting, I would say, on Investing XL, our journey. In case you are interested, I'm not telling you to buy, but I'm telling you to check it out for sure, to check out the Wealth Club for sure, because I believe, like, personally, the tools that we are sharing here in the Wealth Club, to me, they are making me thousands of euros per month, just because, on investments, we are not playing. When you invest money, you want to make a good investment. And if you make a good investment, you just make money with the investment. And as I said, we have this the stock automatic calculator that tells you if it's a good stock to buy in that exact moment or not. We have, differentiation of investments, but if you want, we give alerts. I share all my investments. We have the automatic calculator also for real estate. So in case anyone, wants to invest in real estate, the calculator calculates automatically if it's a good deal or not. And if the result says that it's a good deal, it is a good deal. Like, there is no way that it's incorrect. Then we have courses for education. We just did a webinar with the co-founder of Bitmons, and which is recorded and you can see it. He teaches how to find good NFT projects. Lifetime access to the XL algo, which trades automatically. It trades gold and it trades automatically. You don't have to do anything. And soon we will also share how to trade watches, how to buy and trade watches in a couple of weeks and make good returns in a couple of weeks. So for example, you buy a watch for, I don't know, 500 and you sell it for 700 later. But of course, you need to know how to do it and which watches to buy. Is the funding accelerator program for lifetime or just 2 months? Is for lifetime, but of course, you will get some things for lifetime, but of course, the one-on-one lessons are only the ones that are included. The XL trading office is located in Las Palmas. Let me show you. Yeah, Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, which is in the Canary Islands, which is part of Spain. I moved here a couple of years ago. I'm from Italy. I moved here a couple of years ago, but you know, Canary Islands are a very good destination close to Europe, and it's basically summer all year. Whether you come in December, in January, it's basically summer, so it's very good. And office is here, 1 minute from the beach. I actually show you where it is. Let me show you. Office is basically here, right here, and from the door of the office, you see the beach right here. Great, perfect. For any question, make sure to contact me. Gold is on the move in the meantime. Beautiful location. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I wasn't planning on buying an office soon, but when I found this one and it was super close to the beach and just a beautiful office, then I just went with it. So thank you. With that being said, I hope you liked the live trading, and I'll see you next time.